Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio custom Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. Last Friday there was a massive rally in the US stock markets. और आज उसका follow through है. Asian equities is trading higher और Asian currencies like the South Korean won, Chinese yuan and others are trading quite strong against the dollar. Oil prices are flat. US bond yields are still holding around the lows. तो जो ये माहौल है, that is quite conducive for the Indian rupee to appreciate. Offshore में dollar rupees trading lower around 78.20 के आसपास. June futures. Now June expires tomorrow, so July contract becomes the front monthly contract. Now July में support, the key support level will be, or the support zone will be between 78 and 78.10. Spot में that is 77.85 to 77.95. जब तक ये support zone is intact, तब तक we have to call it still a range. High levels, RBI का selling and even this improvement in the risk sentiments is going to cap the upside in the USDINR. At the same time, at lower levels due to demand from oil marketing companies, etc., and also carry trade unwind and FPI outflows, the support should be there. That level around 78 ke aspas on the July futures. In case this range breaks on the downside, we will definitely update you and we have to change our approach. But as of now, because this range is intact, we still look forward to selling straddles and strangles. Folks who are looking to buy futures should ideally place a stop below 78 levels on the July futures. Now June जो कल expire होगा, the interesting fact about is it has massive amount of open interest, close to $4.8 billion of outstanding open interest. Now this is the highest ever any expiring contract, any monthly futures contract had just before expiry. Now why is it so? It could be due to which there are several reasons that why this OI spiked, but one reason which is very interesting could be that RBI may have intervened in the exchange. So if RBI has intervened in the exchange, then it would have offered an arbitrage opportunity between exchange and the OTC. So what the arbitrages or the bankers could have done, the bank traders, they would have bought on the exchange and sold on the OTC or the interbank. Now, exchange will expire automatically at RBI reference rate tomorrow at noon. But on the OTC or on the interbank, there is nothing called the auto square off at RBI reference rate. So they have to actually execute the transaction and square off the trade, which means they have to buy what they have sold in the OTC. And with this such large positioning, if RBI doesn't intervene tomorrow in a big way, there is a risk. Again, we are saying there is a risk. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but there is a risk of a sudden spike just before the expiry happens. So that's something to keep your mind on. But we have to see how that plays out. It's a very short-term kind of a very, very short-term kind of a opportunity, but that's something we will be updating you more tomorrow. But as of now, dollar rupees in a range and straddles strangles is the way forward. If this range breaks on the downside, we will accordingly change our strategy in the market. Cross currency में फिलहाल के लिए EURINR, GBPINR both will be under pressure because euro dollar is not making and GBP dollar is not making much of a move. Or ये हफ्ता there are no major economic data either from Europe or from US. There are mid-tier economic data which shouldn't have much of an impact. So EURINR, GBPINR should be ideally under pressure. Yen-INR could see more range-bound price action. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.